hello everybody, this is Deepthi, Directrice of Here and Now the French Institute. I welcome you to another episode on Happy Learning French series. And today's French lesson is Le présent progressif ou le présent continu is nothing but the present continuous tense in English. The present continuous tense is used to express an action that is taking place or an action that has not been completed. Subject, the verb être conjugated in the present form plus en train de plus infinitive. Here, en train de means in the process of. It is a part that represents the fact that the action is in the process of happening. Therefore, it is an unfinished action that is taking place in the present. For example, je suis en train de manger. Well, it says I am in the process of eating, or simply I am eating. Here it shows the subject is still eating. En train de is the part that shows the action is still going on. Let's look at some more examples. Tu es en train de cuisiner? You are cooking? Il est en train de faire son devoir. He is doing his homework. Elle est en train de travailler. She is working. Nous sommes en train d'étudier. We are studying. Vous êtes en train d'écrire un compte rendu? You're writing a report. Ils sont en train de passer leur examen. They are taking their exam. Elles sont en train de dessiner. They are drawing. And that's all for the session today. I hope you understood what present progressive tense is. Please like and share the video to all other French learners. For more such content, please subscribe to Here and Now the French Institute. Until then, this is Deepthi signing off. Au revoir and happy learning French.